Etrex Legend here.
And this one powers on just fine. I ended up buying this used on eBay for $7. I needed the back of it. So they said that it would power on, but it wouldn't pick up any satellites. So here I'm turning it on. I ended up picking up a couple satellites here. You can see it looks like it's picking up satellites, but I'm not really getting any. It always just said it had 2, but it would never pick up any so that I could pinpoint my location. So I had to shut it off after about 10 minutes.
Says wait, locating satellites. So I'm gonna turn this off. I'm gonna check back out in 5 minutes.
And then what we're going to do here is we're going to push that toggle button down and then the 2 side buttons. We'll push all those at the same time to reset this.
So the toggle has to go straight in. And sorry, I had to pull that up. So it says, do you really want to erase all the user data? Slide that over to yes.
Next, just to make sure everything was reset, I turned the power off, turned it back on, and then I'm going to retest to see if it worked.
Always check to make sure your battery is good as well. If you have a really low battery, that can add to some issues, but these batteries are brand new. And we're a few minutes in, and I'm getting like no satellite, so that's actually not made it any better. And it just keeps finding 2 satellites. It never finds more than 2. You can go down to 1 or none, but it's okay. I got this. And so what I did is I just came up, I went into the upper right corner there, and I clicked it. I started with map, and I clicked map, and then I went 1 to the left, so that little piece of paper looking thing, and then I just went down. You can see it said restore defaults. I clicked restore defaults, and then I went down to navigation. I went back 1 to the left, and I clicked restore defaults. Went back, trip computer, 1 to the left, restore defaults, oops, sorry, and then clicked on that again, and trip computer, restore defaults. I go back to the right, main menu, and there's nothing there. So that's what I did, and then lo and behold, while I was in the process of doing that, it said I picked up satellites. So something along that line worked. Now I'm picking up 5 satellites. So I actually got this GPS for $7. I went through, I just restored defaults, and it looks like I got a good GPS. Hopefully this helps. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up, and as always, please like and subscribe.